So, today I want to talk about the thing of like vlogging or doing videos, even if you feel like you have a boring life. Because a lot of time, what what prevents what prevented me to do vlogs is mainly the reason that I thought my life was basically boring as fuck. I just go to school, come back, work, and work, eat, take a shower, and go sleep. That was my life, and I was like, "Huh, I need to take the time to do content, and it seems like this is not interesting enough to do something." So I procrastinated, but first, I think you always have something to tell, something to say. Like for now, I'm like in my bedroom and I just talking to you. As simple as that. Just discussing with your audience. As simple as that. And your life may not be as boring as you think. And if it is, do something about it. For me, I work every day, and some people are like, how the fuck can you do that? How can you work this hard and like never stop? I think first there is a part of like, this is like personal, this is my DNA. I think doing party all the time, that's not my thing. Like I love talking to people. I have no problem to talk with others, but I just simply don't enjoy the same way as everybody does at my age. I mean, for me, I just love working. I've got discussions today with my friends that they will be like, "Oh, after the exam, you will see, you will go out and party all the time." I was like, "No, I just want to work." Yes, but you will give up. Not give up. We'll work like what 4 8 hours a day, and then we'll go. We'll enjoy life. I was like, no, I'm gonna work the whole day. I I just love working because that's my thing. At least working at the thing that I see as useful, because school is really bothering me. Like exams are coming in like 1 2 weeks, and I'm sick and tired of those boring calculus. I'm like in I'm in the for a section like you do a lot of calculus, physics, chemistry, science. Science is the one of the classes I like the most, and mathematics. But really, the non-practical theoretical stuff, the worst thing ever, to be frank. And so doing that, I'm really sick and tired of doing that. But when I go back home, I'm like all pumped to do something else. You have to find what works, and if you're passionate, that's the point I want to get in on. Like, if you love what you do, you see that you love what you do, and you have something that others haven't. You can simply show to the world what it is. Like, I never stop, and some people are like, "How can you do that?" And by simply showing how I work, how I do things every day, like some people may understand and then be like, "Oh, okay, I may implement that to my life." And that's the way that's the way I think I want to deliver my content, like to bring you a lot of things on a daily basis, and to give you this thing. I want to like bring you some information and repeat it, because I've saw that this is not about the amount of things that you learn or engulf, but more about how many times you see it, because oftentimes you know the thing but you do not apply it, or you do not understand it fully. And by seeing it a few times, maybe the first time it won't be efficient, you won't understand it, but around like, I don't know, seventh, 10th, the 13th, I don't know. You will understand it, and that will help you to go to the next level. And that's the way I think I should give you my content. I don't want to talk about new things that I barely know and that I don't trust in. I try to give you the things I really like and I really know and trust in. I wasn't in the same mindset in the beginning. That's why I shared some things that I've listened to, but I didn't fully understand why didn't fully I wasn't fully agree with that point of view. I'm I'm talking about that first video, like don't follow your passion. I was when I see that I was like, I've made some changement. A much different. I'm a different person now, and it was like a few months ago, only a few months ago. So yeah, simply, if you think your life is boring, first do something. You have a lot of room to improve if you think your life is boring, and just talk to the camera. Like when you are around me, my life seems not really passionate. I pretty much only work. For me, I'm in love with what I do, but I'm working the whole day, and some people may think it's boring. So making a source that your content is enjoyable, entertaining. I'm not making some. I'm more in making it entertaining. But you have to find a way that people will like your content. For me, I try to give the most value as I can. And maybe this video is not perfectly edited or I don't have the higher quality camera. But I think just trying to give you as much value as I can, like show you how to get started and even with like just getting started. That's it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. Goodbye.